With the newest iOS update, you can now make your iPhone screen or the flash light up when you get a notification. This is a welcome addition to their lineup of accessibility features. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone's flash or screen light up for alerts. Now let's get started. To make your iPhone's flash or screen light up when you get a notification, first open your Settings app. Select Accessibility. Scroll down and select Audio and Visual. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Flash for Alerts. Tap the switch at the top to enable the Flash for Alerts feature. You can choose to have this light up the flash on the back of your phone by the camera, the screen, or both. By default, the flashes will only occur when your device is locked, but you can choose to enable flash while unlocked if you like. If you don't want your iPhone to flash for alerts when your device is set to silent mode, turn off Flash in silent mode. Once you've set this up, your iPhone will flash automatically whenever you receive a notification. That's all it takes to enable Flash for Alerts on iPhone. Want to learn about other useful accessibility features on iPhone? Check out our full playlist of iPhone accessibility feature tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.